Hey, what's up, guys? All right, so today's video is going to be about inventory. So today I got a shipment of screens, a shipment of iPhone screens, and they came in from China. So I'm going to show you guys the packaging, how everything's packaged. So I'm going to show you like the unboxing of the whole package. I ordered about 100 iPhone screens. So in this package, I ordered a little bit of everything. So, and also what is new that I've been waiting is there is finally an iPhone XR aftermarket screen. Finally, been waiting for this. And this thing, they cut the price per screen in half. So you can now buy these iPhone XR aftermarket screens. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys exactly how much the entire shipment costs, and I'm gonna show you guys how much each individual screen costs. So like, I bought iPhone 7 screens, iPhone 7 Plus screens, iPhone 6. I bought pretty much a little bit of everything. So I'm gonna tell you guys how much each model costs per screen. And also, finally, there's a brand new type of high grade ultra premium aftermarket screen is what I ordered. So I'm gonna show you an example of what the old premium aftermarket screen looks like and the new ultra premium aftermarket screens look like. And then I'm gonna compare those two to an actual original Apple screen. So you're gonna see what the difference is. Okay, so let's get this going. All right, so this is an iPhone order that I got from China. Started opening the box, but figure I show you guys this. So this is the contact how to get it from China, and it comes in the box like this. Let me take this out. I need two hands. All right, so it comes in this like foam box. So you take it out of this box right here, and it comes in here. So I gotta open this thing like this. So this is 98 screens. So just shy of 100 screen order. I know most of you guys won't order this many screens, but there we go. This is what it looks like. This is how it comes packaged. See, it comes in a foam, and it comes here in 3 days. You guys check the tracking number. Here's the tracking number. Tracking number, it's right here. So you go on DHL. It's shipped by DHL. Tracking number is right here. I believe that's it, where it says waybill. So you just go to DHL and just type that in. You can see how fast it arrives from China to San Diego, completely on the other side of the world. All right, so this iPhone XR, these screens, they finally came out with an aftermarket screen. So there is a high premium XR screen, which is made of the original material, and then there is a generic aftermarket. I don't recommend getting the generic aftermarket, so I got the premium aftermarket, which this is what it looks like. And this costs 63 bucks for the XR screen. So that's how they come, just like that. iPhone XR, ultimate grade LCD. So the other iPhones, the XS, XS Max, and whatever, the 10, they actually use OLED screens, but this phone doesn't use OLED screens. It uses an LCD screen. So, okay, so I pretty much I just wanted to show you guys. There you go. Now I got to do inventory. I got to count all of this, and I got to label everything. See? But yeah, this is just all iPhone screens. All right, so here we come to the demonstration time. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys two demonstrations. So what you guys see here is 3 screens. So in the middle, I have an original Apple screen, an Apple refurbished screen. On the left is a premium aftermarket screen, and on the far right, you have the brand new ultra premium aftermarket screen. So before I begin what changed with these two, I'm going to get straight into this, and I'm going to talk about the price on how much this ultimate grade LCD iPhone XR costs. So the very last time that I ordered an iPhone XR screen, which wasn't that long ago, it was actually a couple of weeks ago, OEM iPhone XR screens, I paid $109 per screen. And this is an iPhone XR screen. This is what it looks like. This is what the box came in looking like. $109 for an iPhone XR screens. So finally, I've been waiting for this. Finally, a high grade aftermarket ultimate grade LCD iPhone XR finally came out. This now costs $63. $63 for this. So it went from $109 to $63. Now there is an even lower grade 10R screen, which is called just a copy LCD screen, which it costs $54, but I don't recommend that. My iPhone supplier recommends not buying that at all. Get the highest grade that you can get, which is this one, which this one is $64. So there it is. iPhone XR aftermarket screens have finally arrived, and there it is. Okay, so I'm going to put that aside, and I'm done with that. Okay, so let's get back to this. So what has changed between the older high grade, they call these premium aftermarket screen, versus the new style ultra premium screens? Okay, so I'm going to show you this first. This is actually an Apple screen, an original Apple screen that's refurbished, right? So this is the way you can tell this is an actual Apple screen. You look right here, you look at the cables, and it has Apple logos on the wires. So how I got this screen, how I show you guys, how I've made videos about this topic, is when a customer comes in that has a cracked screen, but the LCD is still good, you keep the screen. You now got an original Apple screen that you can do many things with it. You can sell them off, you can refurbish them, you can do whatever you want with them, but you got a free screen. So this is how I got this screen. It used to be a customer screen. So it got refurbished. So now I'm going to use it on somebody else's phone, okay? So let's put this aside here. So what is the difference between the old premium screens and the new ultra premium screens? There's 3 differences. Number one, and the only people that really know what I'm going to be talking about at this point right now is people that are already in the business. So, number one, you see these shields right here on the ultra premium screen versus the older premium aftermarket screen. This shield is bigger on the old style. They now shrunk it down. This thing is smaller now, just like the original Apple screen. If you look at it, they are like the same size and they're like the same thinness. So it's easier to fit in the phone, and you don't have to, when you're putting this screen into the phone, you don't have to mess around with this thing and reposition it. Or sometimes I even just take this thing off and pluck it off, because sometimes you're fumbling around with that stuff. Okay, so that's the first difference. The second difference is the coating that's on the screen. The coating on these ultra premium, the new style, this thing, I think they call it the oleophobic coating. I don't know how to say it right. I think it's slicker. It's more slicker. It's silky. It's smoother. And these ones, it's more dry. The customer, I don't know if the customer can feel it as well, but since I'm in the business, I can feel the difference. If you get your fingertips and you just go like this, you can feel that it's different. Then this thing glides a lot like the original ones come out. Like if you actually bought an original Apple phone out of the box at the Apple store, it feels like it. The coating feels like it. So that's another difference. There's a third difference. Okay, so after you install an aftermarket screen onto a customer's phone, you will notice that the screen is a little bit darker. And then the customer has to, if they want the same brightness, they have to take the brightness and slide it up a little bit. With this new ultra premium screen, it's just like the original. You don't have to, there's no more a little bit darkness at all. It looks freaking almost identical to an original screen. The fourth thing, it fits like exactly flush on the sides. Everything fits like this ultra premium screen. It looks and fits pretty much identical to an original screen. The new ultra premium aftermarket screen, it's basically like an identical original screen. It's hard to tell the difference. The only difference, which you can probably tell, is that this one still has the Apple logos on the wires. So that's what the difference is. And this thing only costs $2 more per screen. So if you're buying an iPhone 6S, if you want the new style, brand new ultra grade premium screen, $2 more to get this than this one. If you're buying an iPhone 7 Plus, which these are iPhone 7 Plus screens, you want the new style screen, it's just $2 more per screen. So why not just get these? I recommend just getting these. So hope that covers that. And that's going to end this part of the video. Dude, look at this canvas I bought. I bought this like a long time ago and I bought it for my shop and I never put it up. I thought this is pretty cool. Look, Steve Jobs. Look, he's from Syria, the refugee. He came over with a dream. It's easy to put up too. Look how big this thing is too. Look, I got a football right here. So I'll put it right there. So that's that. And that's how big this screen is. I mean, this screen. That's how big this canvas is. I never put it up. I should put this up, huh? Okay, so let's quickly go over this. And if you guys want to see this, like read the numbers like in detail, just pause the video. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is an invoice, but a lot of it is blacked out and I'm not showing part of it because there's bank account information and obviously I'm not going to be showing that on YouTube. Okay, so the way that all of this is paid, it's not by Western Union or MoneyGram or any of that stuff, right? This is through Bank of America. So whenever I buy iPhone screens, I simply just drive over to Bank of America and I just write them a check and it just goes directly into their Bank of America checking account, business checking account. So, okay, so let's begin. So the total amount that I paid for this is $1,729. That's how much all this stuff costs. Okay, so let's just break it down. As you guys see, there's an ultra premium section and a premium section. So at the bottom where it says premium, you see where it says 6P and 6S? So since these are a new type of ultra premium screens, the factories in China have only started making anything iPhone 6 Plus and newer. So anything 6 Plus and older, they currently haven't focused on making the older models like that. So that makes sense. So let's start at the top. See where it says 6SP? And let's just go to the right where it says quantity. See how I ordered 20 of them? And it says the price for the ultra premium 6S Plus screens, it's $18.50 per screen. So like, let's say if I wanted to not order ultra premium and I wanted to order just the premium screens, it would have been $2 less. So it would have been $16.50. So, and it's just the same exact thing with the iPhone 7. And if you look below that, iPhone 7 Plus, you see iPhone 7 Plus, I ordered 10 of them and they were $18.50 each. So $18.50 each is an ultra premium screen. If I wanted to order just the regular premium screen, it would have been $16.50. There's always a $2 difference. So hope that makes sense. If you guys have any questions, just write them in the comments below. I'm sure a bunch of you guys are gonna have questions, or just direct message me on Instagram. So that's gonna wrap up this video. I'll keep putting out these videos. I hope that helped out some of you guys that are maybe thinking about doing this as an income for yourself. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.